Hey everybody! Hope you all are doing well and welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to do something new. I am putting together a lookbook of Disney bounding ideas based off of a certain theme. So today's theme is going to be the Magic Kingdom, and I will be sharing looks from the Magic Kingdom. This idea started because I've been making TikTok videos inspired by different Disney bounds, but because TikTok videos are so quick, a lot of the details get left out. So I thought I would make a YouTube video and show these looks I've come up with because I've been having a lot of fun doing it, and maybe this will inspire you to Disney bound as well. So let's go! Whenever I put these videos together, I always want to be prepared and kind of organized with it. So I started by making a list, and I just did all the different lands at Magic Kingdom and just kind of in order of how they appear on the map. And then I went to my computer for some inspiration from each park, and that brought me to these looks. When I put together these looks, I always like to just space things off of what I have in my closet already. So I haven't bought anything new. This is just stuff that I found and try to make the best of it. So once I've picked out the outfits, I'll pick out some jewelry to go with it. I have some earrings over here, and then I have more in here. So I have lots of choices, and yeah. So let's break down these looks. Okay, first I want to show, oh, well, that's good. Okay, starting off with Main Street, USA, I have these really awesome vintage hats that were gifted to me a few years ago, so that's really come in handy with these Disney bound looks. So these earrings are actually buttons that are the girl from the Haunted Mansion, but I thought it kind of fit the time period, and it matches the buttons on this dress. And I also, just for the purpose of the TikTok, I have this umbrella that looks like a parasol, so that'll be my look for Main Street. Next we have Adventureland, and this look I kind of was inspired by the Tiki Room and some of the more tropical elements of Adventureland, but I wanted to still have it have that kind of like rugged, you could go on a safari look. So then this is another one of those vintage hats which I thought speaks Tiki Room. I have this elephant bracelet and these feather earrings, so that'll be a fun look. So maybe I'll tie it. I don't know if I'll tie it or wear it tucked in, but that's Adventureland. We then go into Frontierland, and this one I was really inspired by what the cast members wear in the parks. They have really blousey tops. So I have this fun blousey top and some brown trousers with these gold hoop earrings, which is again a stretch. I was thinking of digging for gold. They wouldn't really have many blingy accessories. And then this fun hat as well. Here we go into Liberty Square. So of course I went red, white, and blue. And I'm not about to wear a petticoat, so this is kind of the closest I would get with like the ruffles, and we have the ruffles in the blouse. And a lot of the girls wear bonnets at the parks, like the cast members do, so I have a beanie. So we're gonna see how that works for Liberty Square. Fantasyland is next, and this might be one of my favorite looks. It's so whimsical, so I picked out a pink dress that has that kind of funky flower look that a lot of Fantasyland has, and this really blingy belt along with some pink pearl accessories. And then this is just some craft ribbon, like glittery ribbon, so I'm gonna try and make something for my hair with that, but I think it'll come together really cute. And last but certainly not least is Tomorrowland, and I went for that kind of retro Tomorrow That Never Was look with this leotard and just some blue high-waisted jeans, and then these are really fun puffball dangly earrings, so I thought that would look really cute, and I'll probably do some space buns in my hair. So I've put out all the accessories now, and I also picked out shoes for each look. So I picked out those for Main Street, Adventureland, Frontierland, Liberty Square, Fantasyland, and my favorite, Tomorrowland. So that's kind of the detailed look of when I put everything together, and now I have all my outfits hanging back up. So let's get dressed, let's do it. Okay, so I've put together this look. Here we go. Ooh, I love it. Just got into my Adventureland outfit. Got my headpiece, feather earrings, and this is the look. All right. we're taking it out west in this look. Got my nice blousey top on. Yeehaw! My Liberty Square look now. I'm kind of liking it. Very patriotic. Back for Fantasyland. Have my tiara. This Fantasyland look is actually kind of like a 50s, 60s kind of vibe. Like this headband and then the dress. I like this one. Actually, this is my favorite. This is my Tomorrowland outfit and it's so fun with these little space ball earrings and space buns. I feel it. It's fun. I just finished filming all the TikTok pieces, so I will insert that here.
I wanna be humble, be a good friend. Give more slack than I'm bringing in. Cherish all the good times, learn from the rest. Heart on sleep and head in chest.
And I hope you guys had fun looking at all these outfit ideas with me. It's really fun to put these together, and I highly encourage everybody to try and Disney Bound take on some of these looks yourself. Comment below which one was your favorite look, or if there's any that you would have taken in a different approach. And thanks for checking this video out. I hope you guys had fun, and